Everyone, welcome back to All Pro Exterior Services. I'm here again with I'm gonna do a draw test on the 9.5 gallon a minute machine. I got the downstream injector with a 2.1 orifice, and I got a gallon of water, and then I got a 55 gallon drum marked in 5 gallon increments. And I just kind of use the marks a lot because the bad thing about these white jugs is you can't see the writing. So this is what I plan to do, is just crank the machine, get it warmed up. Got the downstream injector, just got the M5 twist, 8 gallon a minute, or 7 to 12 gallon a minute M5 twist. I'm just going to shoot it in a jug until that is empty. So once that is empty, that's going to give us a draw test. So that's going to tell me how many gallons of water I'm pulling per gallon of bleach, so I can get a ratio. So like if it's 10 to 1, then that means I can get in 1.25. Or if it's 20 to 1, you get 6.1. So I just need to figure that out so I know how to move going forward if I'm gonna use this machine for downstreaming or not, which I plan to do if it draws good. If not, I may try another injector. That's the purpose of the test. And it's always good to do this test on your equipment to know exactly your ratios, because that's how you become more efficient and conservative on your bleach and everything else. So it's very imperative that anybody setting up to do this to really know the draw, because if you're using straight bleach and you're getting 1.25, you don't need 1.25. Maybe you cut it to 0.6 for vinyl houses and you cut back on your bleach by half. So anyway, it's always a good test to do this, and I'm right at a gallon. I don't know, it's a gallon. So let me get this thing warmed up and I'll get you back on camera here in a second. All right, peace. Machine started, warmed up a little bit, got enough water in here to do our test. So we're going to go ahead and get rolling. I'm going to idle up, so I'm not going to be able to talk. I'll stop, shut it down after the demonstration of the draw test, or the draw test. So anyway, we got water, so we're good. So let me go ahead and crank it up and get rolling. All right, here we go. Finished the test, had a little cut out on the camera, but as you can tell, we right at 15. Let's just call that 15. So 15 to 1 out of a gallon on a 2.1 orifice, which means if you do the math, let me think about this for a minute. So probably about 0.85%, which for vinyl, not bad, not bad. If we got any, like I said, I'm getting 1.25 out of the 4 gallon a minute, because it again, it's less water mixed with the bleach. I think the draw's the same, but when you go from a 4 to a 9 gallon a minute, it changes the game. So anyway, that's not bad though. For vinyl housing, I can do that. But stucco is going to be a little problem. We just have to do some trial and errors. May have the longer dwell times. Because if I got to hit it 3 times with an 8 or 9 versus the 4, I might as well pull out the 4 and hit it once. Or soap with the 4, rinse with the 9. So we'll see. But anyway, that was a good test. I'm glad I did that. I've been wanting to do it. And I just wanted to put it on a video because I think everybody in this business should do this to exactly know their chemical draw and know what the mix is at the end of the gun. And that's through 200 foot of solid hose, through the unloader block. Well, not the unloader block. Unloader block to the injector, to the reel. So you go through the reel, 200 foot of continuous hose with the M5 twist gun. So 15 to 1, not shabby. I'm not complaining about that. It'd be nice if I can get the 10 to 1, but I don't know. I got some other ideas I'm gonna try. I think me and a guy that reached out to me, him and I has been working on modifying the injector with the check valve. Supposedly you get a better draw rate. So we're gonna see what's up with that. I might do some testing on that, and if it's true, then I'll post a video, obviously, and check the results versus a GP standard injector. But I don't mind getting rid of that check, the ball valve, the ball and the spring in there. Obviously, that's the part that corrodes the most. So anyway, that's the video, guys. I hope this helps anybody out there looking at trying to do this or get into it. I think it's very important you do it. So please like, sub. Appreciate the comments and calls. Keep them coming. See you next time. Peace.